Hey guys, welcome to Medicare Allies. We're at our office here, if you haven't seen it, and out here on our balcony. So today we're having a little employee appreciation day, and so we're having a little grill. So whenever you call in, a lot of times you talk to Sarah. Oh, come on up! Whenever you call in, a lot of times you talk to Sarah. Her favorite food, if you want to get to her heart, is through shrimp. So we're making some shrimp. You want to come in, you can kind of check this out. They're almost done, but all we do is marinate them for a little bit, a couple hours with olive oil and a little bit of Jubilee seasoning, which is just some seafood seasoning. Pull them off, and it's a great little snack. And then we're gonna have some burgers, so stick around. We just have these, get them from our local butcher. They're called prime burgers, but they're already made and formed into patties, and we just put a little Montreal steak seasoning on them, and we're gonna grill them. That's all there is to it. You would probably think that we have about 50 employees here, but everybody's going to get about 5 burgers. Alright, now we wait. Let's go get some cheese. Thanks to everybody's friend Sarah, we got some really good Colby Jack cheese. And then we also got some smoked Gouda that we're going to put on them and let it melt, and we should be good to go. With the Colby, we're going to get some smoked Gouda.
Which one's your favorite?
I'm more of a Colby Jack guy myself, but I'm sure they'll both be good.